Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about King's Gambit move. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to the channel. So let's start. So King's Gambit is one of the most used starting, and it was very famous earlier. So let's start. In King's Gambit we will use this pawn present at e2 and we will move it to this position at e4. Now opponent may use this move, that is he may use its e7 pawn and move it to e5. Now we will move this pawn present at f2 and we will place it here at f4. Opponent will attack on our pawn and will capture this position f4. Now we have two options. First is that we use this pawn present at d2 and move it to d4. Now by doing so we can see that now our position at the center had become stronger also, and our bishop is also attacking at this position, so we can capture it here. So he will try to defend its pawn by any method, like he can use this pawn here or he may use its queen here. But now we can see its position at king's side has weakened up. It was a plus point. Now the second method is that we may use our knight present at g1 and place it at f3 here. Now he will use any of its unit, like he may use this one. Now we will place our bishop present at f1 to c4 here. Now you can see this position f7, the weakest pawn of opponent, is under the attack of our bishop. So this is also a good chance. Here he may use this d7 pawn and place it on d6 in order to prevent our knight from entering at this position, that is e5. Now we have one option that we can do castling here. So as you can see, our position has become stronger here. So that's all. You may try this, and if you like this chance, then please comment and see the description box for more information about chess, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.